Hi everyone, in this video I'll be sharing about preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol using thionyl chloride. So we are going to prepare this alkyl halide, okay, and from what? From alcohol. We are going to start with alcohol. From alcohol we are going to prepare alkyl halide by using thionyl chloride. So this is your thionyl chloride, okay. This is the formula of thionyl chloride. Okay, so let us see what changes it occurs. We have started with ROH. We have put the reagent SOCl2. So here it changed into R. This OH is replaced by Cl. From where this Cl is obtained? From this SOCl2. SOCl2 contains two Cl. One has utilized here, and the other will give as HCl, and SO and another O will remove the as SO2. It will give the product as SO2. This SO and O will give as SO2, and this one Cl and another H will give as HCl, and R and another Cl will give as RCl. Okay. Now let us start with the mechanism of the reaction. So this is your alcohol and this is your thionyl chloride. This alcohol is a Lewis base because this oxygen carries lone pair and it has the capability to donate electrons. So it will attack the sulfur. Because sulfur here will act as an electrophilic center because of the bonded, because this sulfur is bonded to electronegative atom, that is oxygen, will try to pull the electrons. So this will behave electrophilic center, so this will attack this electrophilic center, and oxygen being more electronegative will pull the electron towards itself. So now see, our this oxygen is bonded to what? Sulfur. Hydrogen is still there, okay. Now this oxygen will carry positive charge. Lone pair also will be still there, okay. Now this oxygen, double bond oxygen will turn into single bond because the bond has already shifted towards the oxygen atom, so it becomes as negative. Now Cl is present and Cl is here, okay. Now this oxygen again can come back, and not this oxygen, this negative charge, that means lone pair of electron, will shift here, okay, and will form a pi bond, and this chlorine being more a good leaving group will remove as Cl minus, okay, will go as Cl minus, will remove as Cl minus, because this lone pair will form a pi bond, so it has to shift it. Now R O H, still everything will remain same. So sulfur, this oxygen single bonded with negative charge will become pi bond now, and Cl will remove this Cl minus, Cl is still one Cl is still there. Now see, this Cl minus being a nucleophile will try to take the proton, and this bond will be shifted as oxygen being very unstable because of the positive charge, will always try to remove this proton, so it will remove as minus, this H and Cl become as HCl. Now see, R, let us write the structure. R, oxygen is still there, hydrogen has removed, the positive charge has already neutralized because of this bonded electrons has shifted on the oxygen. Now sulfur, still oxygen with double bond, then Cl, okay. So now we can again, this bond will transfer towards this oxygen. Now R will become as R plus, which is carbocation, and this oxygen will be will carry negative charge, okay, and this oxygen still remain, okay. Now this, see, this oxygen being negative charge, again it can shift this as pi bond, and this Cl will remove as Cl minus, okay. Again this Cl, which is going to remove as Cl minus, will attack the R plus, so it becomes as R bond Cl plus what is remaining as it was single bond with negative charge, now it will become O double bond O, double bond O. So this is your product, this is your alkyl halide, and this is your alcohol. Okay, so this is the mechanism of the reaction. So ROH, we with using SOCl2, it came as R bond Cl SO2 plus HCl.